Mira, hey, pay attention. This is gonna be a spectacular plate today. This is chicken breast in mushroom sauce. Chicken breast in mushroom sauce, and here's all that you need for this recipe. You need two big chicken breasts, fresh garlic here, about a teaspoon or tablespoon. I'm using turkey bacon. You can use any bacon that you like. I'm using turkey bacon and fresh mushrooms here and the cilantro as well. And here are all the ingredients. Follow me step by step. We're gonna cut this chicken breast here in little slices like that. Not super thin, but I want somewhat thin because I want this to cook evenly. So we're gonna slice our chicken breast here, and we're gonna try to keep that shape there. So we're gonna do the same thing with both. And now we're gonna spread them a little bit just for seasoning, but remember, we're gonna try to keep that shape of the sliced breast. And you can use any seasoning of your preference. I'm using here salt, pepper, and garlic in equal parts. Salt, pepper, and garlic. You don't have to go crazy because the sauce that we're making is also gonna add a lot of flavor. So don't go over crazy with your seasoning. Just a light coat on each side because you don't want it to be bland either. But just make sure that you get seasoning on both sides, the seasoning of your preference. I'm using again salt, pepper, and garlic, SPG. And you just go all over it. And I also like to sprinkle a little bit with teriyaki marinade, just like that. One sprinkle of that should be enough. And then in a saucepan here, you're gonna put some olive oil on the bottom, and we're gonna put our chicken there in that shape. Remember that we're trying to keep that shape. This is for plating purposes. So try to keep them all together like that. Spread them a little bit. And we're gonna put this over medium low heat. Medium low, yeah, you heard it right. No rush here, medium low. And we're gonna slice our bacon here. I'm using again turkey bacon. We're gonna slice this and we're gonna cut them in little squares because this is just to give it a little accent to your sauce at the end. It's gonna be the magical touch to that beautiful sauce at the end. And here we have some fresh mushrooms, and I'm gonna just slice them like that in big chunks, not too small, not too small. We're gonna just slice them like that. You see that size is actually perfect. That's the perfect size for the sauce on top, and that's it. You see how is that? Oh, it smells so good. This smells so good. So while that keeps on cooking, we're gonna add oil to another saucepan here, and we're gonna put our mushrooms here. Yeah, just throw the mushroom there in another saucepan, and we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Sprinkle some salt and pepper just like that, and a little bit of. I'm gonna also put after salt and pepper. I'm gonna put some teriyaki marinade sauce. So to make that sauce a little bit darker because it will be too whitish or too pale. So now we're gonna add the fresh garlic there right in the middle and our cilantro as well. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley. And we're gonna add the bacon on top of everything there. There you go. That's all the ingredients for the sauce. We're gonna flip this a little bit to make sure everything is well mixed. So I'm trying to be a chef here. I'm trying to show my cooking skills. I'm not perfect, but it did the work. It mixed everything there together. And we're gonna add like half a jar here, half a jar of Alfredo sauce. Just half a jar, just like that. Don't go crazy in that. And we're gonna mix this all together and let it simmer for about 1 minute. That's all you need. You see that beautiful color? It's not just pale white. This is kind of a brownish, or I don't know. I just like this color a little bit better. That's why I added the teriyaki sauce. Now we're gonna put this sauce aside. This is ready, and we're gonna put it aside because we're gonna lather our chicken out of the saucepans with this sauce on top. There you have the chicken. This is actually ready. This is done. Just make sure this is done all over, and we're gonna plate this. That's why I wanted to keep that shape. You see how I kept the chunks together, and we're gonna just fill the plate just like that. And from here, we're just gonna go over it. There you go. Here's your bath. Chicken breast with mushroom sauce. Oh, how beautiful that looks. We're gonna add some shredded cheese on top and some scallions as well. And there you have it. I know your mouth is watering. You want to try it. You want to try it just like me. But there you have it. Chicken breast with mushroom sauce. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Super delicious. We're going to give it a try here. There you have it. We're going to give it a try. Let's see how this actually tastes. And oh my God. Wait. This is absolutely delicious. Perfect chicken with that sauce. Try it at home. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. Tell everybody we're making good food in this channel. And I'll see you next time. There you have it.